Welcome, we are learning 5MinuteMax and you are watching 5 Minute Max. So, in the previous episode, we have learned about how to create a sphere. In this episode, we'll be learning how to create a cylinder, which is next thing on the list for a standard primitive, which is a group of the geometry, which is also a group of the create tab, which comes inside the command panel. So we'll be learning all this one by one. Before that, before doing anything, let's just show you how I do this action with my mouse, like panning around like the scene. So that happens when you take your mouse to anywhere, any viewport, and middle mouse button, and you can like move it around, and you can orbit. Sometime you'll see me like going to this orbit and like moving around. This is the navigations, so we'll be talking about navigations in later chapters or episodes. So for now, let's focus on the topic. Let's go on select tool and click on the cylinder, and you'll see it's similar to the other objects that are the geometrical shapes that you have created in previous classes. First drag once, then let go of the mouse. You can go up or down. You go up and click once more, and there it is. That's the cylinder. Now if you just like do not select this select object or hit Q on your keyboard, you just keep creating more cylinders. So let's just like click on that, so we no longer continuously create cylinders. So let's select this first cylinder here, and let's see the parameters that it has. So for the second tab on the top under the command panel is the modify. So if you click on that while the cylinder is selected, you can see the parameter rollout. These are the rollouts. It rolls back, it rolls out. So the parameter rollouts has few different options here. So the first one is the radius. So if you just like, you can make it fatter or thinner, and so it's just like the surface of the circle and the surface of the cylinder, to be more precise. Now the height is controlled by the height. These are the spinners. The spinner value goes up and down, and for the height segment, if you pay close attention to this front wireframe view, if you increase that, you see like it's having more height segments, and the cap segments, if you like notice here, pay attention, so I can create cap segments. And also the sides, if you want perfect smooth cylinders, then 32 is a good number. Sometimes people use a 64 as well, but that will take more memory. So if we click on this perspective view and select edge faces, so you can see how they look. And cylinder has some other parameters. Let's say select this cylinder right here and change its tick on the slice on, so it's ticked, and slice from, let's change the spinner. So see this like this sort of like interesting thing happens. So this might be occasionally required for your project, but you may have to like use some other methods like to modify them even further. But for now, like these are the options that cylinder has in 5MinuteMax under the standard primitives. So we have learned about the standard primitives cylinder geometry. Today, on the next day, we'll be learning about the next one, which is torus. And up until then, hoping you enjoy these episodes after episodes of learning constantly 5MinuteMax and making yourself better at the program. So if you have any question, just let me know, and any suggestion, and also let me know. Subscribe, comment, and yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow.